number 1. If the events in post-transcriptional modification are listed as polyadenylation, capping and splicing, what would be the correct sequence? Answer is option D. First is capping, second is polyadenylation and splicing. Question number 2. Which RNA transcript would be capped by the capping enzyme in vitro mixture of RNA? Pol 2 transcripts, pol 1 and pol 3 transcripts, pol 1 transcripts, pol 1, pol 2, pol 3 transcripts. Correct answer is option D. Pol 1, pol 2 and pol 3 transcript. Question number 3. Which nucleotide is present in the 5' cap? ADP, GDP, CDP, UDP. Correct answer is option B. GDP is present in the 5' cap. Question number 4. Which is the first enzyme in capping? Guanyl transferase, RNA5 triphosphatase, N7G methyltransferase, guanyl transferase. Correct answer is option D. Guanyl transferase is the first enzyme in capping. Question number 5. CBP acts as an enzyme adapter catalyst suicide enzyme. Correct answer is option C. Catalyst. Question number 6. Which of the following corresponding to the same gene will you accept to be a shortest? DNA, hnRNA, cDNA, mRNA. Correct answer is option C. cDNA. Question number 7. Splicing consequence splicing continuous sequence is exon GU intron AG exon, exon UG intron AT exon, exon GU intron GA exon, exon EU intron CG exon. Correct answer is option A. Exon GU intron AG exon. Question number 8. In case of splicing, the attacking group is ATP, GTP, adenine, guanine. Correct answer is option C. Adenine. Question number 9. In the case of group 1 RNA, which one of the following can't attack? GMP, GDP, GTP, ATP. Correct answer is option D. ATP. Question number 10. Choose the wrong answer. The A base saves the 5' P of the intron by forming bond which save requirement of ATP. The 5' phosphate attack the 3' OH of the intron. In the self-splicing group 1, G base make its Leydian structure. Group 2 self-splicing RNA splice better when proteins are added. Correct answer is option C. Option C is the wrong option. Remaining 3 options are the correct answer. Question number 11. Which of the following show incorrect matching? Group 1 G base, U1 exon, U2F, U2, U6, U2. Incorrect matching is option D, U6. In spliceosome complex, U1 is replaced by U6, not U2. U1 is replaced by U6, not U2. Question number 12. 5' and 3' is the sequence for two ends of the intron. GATC, GUAG, AGTA, GAAT. Correct answer is option B. 5' is for GU and 3' is a AG. Is the sequence for two ends of the intron. Question number 30. In the cytoplasm, we can find this U-rich snRNA. U3, U4, U6, U4, U6, U4, U5, U6, U3 and U5. Correct answer is option B. U4 and U6. U4 and U6. Question number 14. Which of the following is written in the C complex of spliceosome? U5, U4, U2, AF, U1. Correct answer is option A. U5. In the C complex, U6 is replaced by U1 and U2 has replaced by In spliceosome complex, U6 is replaced by U1 and U2 has replaced by U2AF and U4 is dissociated. Only U5 stabilize the structure. Only U5 stabilize the structure by binding ends. Question number 50. Protein rich in dash and D's help in splicing A and G, R and S, F and G, S and R. Answer is option D. Serine and arginine. Question number 60. The SR proteins bind to the intron to be skipped, introns not to be skipped, exon to be skipped, exon not to be skipped. Correct answer is option D. Exon not to be skipped. Question number 70. SR protein can interact with U1, U2AF, U1 and U2AF none. Correct answer is option C. U1 and U2AF. Question number 80. U-rich RNA that helps in splicing are snRNA, snORNA, hnRNA, mRNA. Correct answer is option S. snRNA. Question number 90. Which of the following is the proper sequence of assembly of factor on the branch point A? U1, U2, U6, U2F, U2, BBP, BBP, U2F, U2, BBP, U1, U2. Correct answer is option C. BBP, U2F, U2. BBP stand for branch point binding protein. Question number 20. If you run the whole RNA extract on a gel, you will get dash bands normally. Correct answer is option C. 2 bands. You will get 2 bands.